back. Drop in and just smack the bah!
Well, hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning into FunAhead TV today. This video is basically just going to be a quick update.
What?
An update.
Oh.
It's been a second since I've, had any kind of face-to-face conversation with you guys. We've just been so busy around here knocking out project after project. So, first of all, the thing I know you are all extremely interested in, and that is situation with the 911. Well, I'm happy to say it's done.
Sensational.
I am in the process of making that video as far as the final reveal video. How is the exhaust? Does the AccuSump work on the road? And how does it drive with the new suspension? We're making that kind of reveal first impressions video right now. The issue was, after completing the project, the shop that I wanted to do the alignment had a 2-week lead time, so it took me a sec to actually get the alignment on the car, but that has been done now for right around a week. Much more on that in that video, which should be coming maybe not this upcoming week, but the following, probably for sure, probably. And the reason there's a bit of a lead time on that is that I have a bit of a life update. So my wife is going to be, hopefully, having our first child, our daughter, this week. She was due this previous Friday. We're slightly past the due date now, and hopefully by the time you guys see this, our daughter will be born, and my wife and daughter will be healthy, and we'll all be happy and chilling. Obviously, I don't really mention my personal life too much on this channel, but I just want to let you guys know that if there's any kind of delay in the old weekly video releases, then, well, that's why. But so I do have some channel update action to let you know about. So we've got some upcoming 944 and base model Boxster content. One pretty cool video that I'm particularly excited about. So, and then also we're going to be doing some work on the 944 as well, because, well, unfortunately, we are going to be moving it on down the road to its next owner. I absolutely love that car, but it's just, I bought it as kind of a project, and we've had our fun with it. Might as well let someone else enjoy it. I've got enough things that I can enjoy. So if you're interested, shoot me an email at funaheadtvofficial@gmail.com. I'm not quite sure on pricing yet, but you've seen it on the channel. This thing has been more than kept up on in terms of maintenance in the last year. We've got it completely updated, and it's a 40-year-old car, so it has things that aren't showroom perfect about it. But overall, I mean, she's a driver. You could jump in this thing and drive it 2 states over if you want to, and it'll get you there and back. It's a great car. And we've got a big project coming up on the Boxster, and we've kind of gotten away from it for a couple months, but we've got some more water-cooled restorations coming down the pipeline. They, admittedly, sort of got a little repetitive as far as what we were doing to the cars, so I didn't want to make an entire video series on every single one, but we're going to be getting back to it this June. So, more on that soon. Also, we've got some track weekend content coming on the pipeline. Future shop updates for water-cooled restoration. I'm going to be doing some stuff in the shop to expand our capabilities, and that's something I'm very excited about, and we'll be making a video or videos on that later this year. Upcoming merch for water-cooled restoration. Already you can see, well, this is one of my prototype stickers. This is not one that you'll be able to buy. This was, like I said, just a prototype, but I have stickers. So that's the first thing. And if you want to buy stickers, they'll be live on my website soon on funaheadtv.com. But also soon is the water-cooled restoration shirts. I'm thinking it out as much as I can possibly do with this shirt. I want this design to be really, really cool and like thought out, like I said. So I'm taking my time, making sure that I'm not rushing anything. So working through some kind of final things with that design, and then they will be available sometime this summer. So the next big thing that I'm extremely excited for, this is kind of the official, unofficial announcement, because probably exactly 4 of you are going to watch this video. FunAhead refers to the curvy road ahead sign, letting you know that there is fun up ahead. I started this channel by making videos about really cool driving roads throughout the country, and I kind of want to maintain that in the background, even though we do primarily like shop work on the channel anymore, but I want to maintain that kind of ethos of keeping driving at the core. And obviously one of the things that all of us driving enthusiasts love to do, this car enthusiasts love to do, is socialize, right? And we also like to drive our cars. And as much as I like the occasional cars and coffee event, I would way rather drive my car than stand in a parking lot and kick my car's tires. No offense to cars and coffee, I really like going to those, like I said, but let's drive together. So that's kind of the idea. So I'm going to organize some driving events, basically planned out routes with some stops along the way. We can all kind of do a caravan through some really fun or really scenic roads. Maybe eventually we go through different parts of the country so that we can incorporate as many FunAhead fans as possible. But I'm thinking for the first drive, we head on down to Hocking Hills, which quite literally has world-class roads. So much fun. So that first event will probably be sometime later this summer, maybe even early fall. Like I said, I've got a baby coming, so I'm gonna have to figure some stuff out life-wise, and also it'll take a little bit to actually plan that event. But shoot me an email at funaheadtvofficial@gmail.com. Let me know you're interested. I'll put you on a mailing list. That way, anytime an upcoming event is happening, you will be in the loop. And don't worry, I won't spam. There's no emails outside of strictly there's an event coming up that will be hitting your inbox, only that. But nonetheless, I'm excited to assemble some FunAhead fans and just meet you guys and go for a drive together. That'll be a lot of fun. So I think that is about it as far as major updates go. I had been wanting to make more of these FunAhead and Friends style podcasts, just chit chats, just me and you guys, back when I started them last year. But problem is life gets busy. And like I said, we've had just project after project. Plus, with regards to the YouTube channel, I'm just a one-man show. So once I kind of start to get spread thin, then things like FunAhead and Friends sort of go towards the back burner. Plus, none of them have done well. I mean, you guys don't watch FunAhead TV for me chatting at you anyway. You watch it for car content. So I understand that. I know that. So therefore, those kind of get deprioritized. But you know, it's fun to still kind of make the occasional one, especially in this situation where just wanted to update you guys on what's happening with me, a little bit of inside baseball for you all. And so that'll be it. Yeah. But I'm very excited for the things coming down the pipeline on the channel this year. I think we're going to have a ton of really cool video series coming up, things that I'm pretty excited about. And I'm really excited about the FunAhead Drivers Club, which I think that'll be sweet. I've always wanted to kind of make a social group out of the channel, and it is still a small channel, admittedly, I realize that, but I think we're kind of getting to that size now that we'd at least have a handful of people that would join in on such a thing. So figured might as well start at some point, you know, keep it small. It's more intimate and fun that way anyway. We can have a little bit more fun out on the road, and I don't know, it'll be a good starting point, hopefully. So again, if you're interested, email me, funaheadtvofficial@gmail.com. I'll get you on that mailing list, and we'll keep you looped in about all upcoming events. So yeah, as always, I appreciate you guys' support. You guys are awesome. And if you've made it to the end of this video, just let me know, hey, I made it to the end. Always curious who makes it to the end of these, just because I know they're not the most popular video on the channel, and that's understandable. I get that. So anyway, thank you again so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Yes, you. Looking right at you. I'll see you guys all on the other side.